Kublai baro te kumbangi latip baka DRT kala depan mi yakini ki answer key haka website hangni ngan EAP kumno ban check yaki answer key bala ai daka DERT te naga Google ni search hangni ngi tho DERT ni search yakani padang ni kansa mi kanika page jong kanika DRT Department of Education Government of Meghalaya ni klik ya kanika page hangni nang ta ngin sawan kanwan kanika website jong kanika DRT bat hangni ngi i kanina site hangni kani watho notice board ni klik ya kani bat ngi scroll sapo ngi peng ni kitho paper 1 and paper 2 answer keys MTET 2025 tishbo dangi kwa ban check jong paper 1 lada ka series kiyo jingkli series e ngi klik hangni bat hangni kansa mi kanika answer key jong ka paper 1 LP series A te kadang loading ni menta kala jan play kala thok ni opening document 100% te kanika answer key hangni zoom kumni kanika dai jongka LP paper 1 series A part 1 child development and pedagogy serial 1 answer kare C serial 2 answer D kumni terter ngilaban scroll sapo ban page jong kiwe jongka English kani nang tang scroll shushu angni jongka part 3 mathematics sapo nginyo ka environment bat kumjuru ka khasi te nang ni ni page hangni ru kidon kani nang ta ka paper 2 series A paper 2 series B series C series D ni check kat kum ka series ka bang yo nang ta shubu lada phi lap ya ka jing bakla na kaliang jong ka DRT ka ai da ka answer ka ba bakla ngila ban challenge ya ka answer key ni page na kani ka notice hangni kani ka notice bala ai hangni ka on this to inform to all candidates who have appeared MTET 2025 held on 25th April 2025 to take note of the following instructions hangni in page kumbala patha kumno ban le hangni ban kong ka point ban kong ka on the answer keys pertaining to the MTET 2025 for both paper 1 paper 2 are now available in the official website of Education Department kani ka website ban check ya ka to bamantan ngala depan kumno ban check ya ka answer key paper 1 paper 2 longba kani ka website ka point ba ka on candidates who desire to challenge the uploaded answer keys will have to submit the application as per format at annexure A with effect from 29 April to 1st May 2025 up to 4:30 p.m. by email to an official email address drt.mec@gmail.com Applications received after 4:30 p.m. of 1st May 2025 will not be entertained. Te hangni subo dangi kwa ban challenge ya ka answer key ngila ban submit da kanika application ki ai ha kanika annexure A ngan pen kan ka badai sapo ngin sape sapo kata ka form ka tarik kadai nado at khandai tarik hado tarik banai Mei langba ka email ban pha sa ka email address jong kanika DRT kani bala ai haswa kanika sausteng jong uneu banai Mei tarik mud dalatam ka sausteng kinom pedeng chu tangi haban bat yakini ki sngi 3.3 challenges made by the candidates will be examined by the panel of subject experts. The answer keys finalized by the experts will be final. Te ban page ban check ya ki answer key bang ipha kindon da kini ki expert katkum ka subject but ya ka final maki hi kin sa check ki pediang ne kinom pediang ka pasau justification without valid or reliable authentic documents and sources will not be entertained. Dangi kwa ban challenge claim kanu ka proof ka babiang kinom pediang ni haban don ka proof ka babiang. Kabasan ka on candidate should send the application separately for paper 1 and paper 2 ni haban send lala ka jong ka application นักบัญชากับ paper 1 บัดกับ paper 2 Tingin pe yakaneka format bakila ai kumnu ban le yakaneka ban challenge ke answer key ta kumut gidai ban tho kumni ngila ban tho ni ngila ban type ru kumni to the Directorate of Educational Research and Training Meghalaya Shillong subject answer keys of paper 1 lada dai jong paper 1 ngi tho answer keys of paper 1 of Meghalaya Teacher Eligibility Test MTET 2025 ban ngi tho kumni madam ngi tho kumni bar hajaka jong kini baro ngila ban tho kumni ngan pi pi ngila ban tho kumni serial 1 ngi tho ban kong paper 1 ka ar ka question number subu question number 12 ka series nangta subu ka series lada dai series B nangta answer key as uploaded kani ka answer key bakila ai ka dai A answer key claim ni kwa ban claim bak answer kam dai ka A ka dai ka B hangni ngin penuksa kum kani ka question 12 na ka series B ka jingkli ka ong the question is self-centeredness is a characteristic that develops during option A infancy stage B early childhood C adolescent stage D adulthood stage but hangni ki ai ka answer ka dai A henry hajing sha ka answer kan dai kani ka option B early childhood tingi kwa ban claim ya kani ka answer ki ngin thok ni justification ngi ai kumni nangta ka evidence ka proof dangila ban ai subu da don da ka kot ngi thok ka karteng jong ka kot lane karteng nong thok bat ka page number ngi thok yakini baro bat ngi la ban sundur bat sapha ha ka email subu la dang don ha ka ju ka paper 1 ngila ban thok yang paper 1 nangta thok teng biang kum ju question number series kini answer key uploaded answer key claim nangta ngi ai ka justification bat ka evidence ngila ru ban ai evidence lang ba jong ka subu dang yo na ka internet da ka website bat da ka link kum ju ru ya ka paper 2 ngi paper 2 pat ngi tho mdai ha ka ju ka format ha ka ju ka letter kumni ngi tho biang kum ju kum bas dang kumni bat hangni ngi tho answer key for paper 2 nangta ngi tho biang kum ju bat dala dep tho kum tu dala dep tho kini baro kani spo ngi dai ban tho biang kani the answer key is finalized by office after my challenge will be final and will not be contested in future by self nangta ngi tho kani yo sincerely hangni ngi sign nangta tho name roll number level dangi daga dai jong level jong ka LP ngi bu LP la dai UP ngi tho UP nangta ngi bu address contact number email ID bat ka tarik ka bangi ngi pha tang ni kani ba I note new star kamut new star ni ka ong mandatory mod compulsory ngi haban le be ya kani ngi haban ai be ya ka justification ngi haban batai balai ka dai ka answer ki ba ki pha ka long ba bakla bat ngi haban ai da ka proof kum ta ki la ban priang ya ka ta ka challenge ka jungi tang kani ku blai shibun